I'm Alan Kenny, and we're in New York for REIT Week 2017, NAREIT's Investor Forum. I'm joined by Jay Brown, President and CEO of Crown Castle. So Jay, what level of activity are you observing in the small cell space, and how do you see that developing going forward?
Well, we've seen a lot of activity from all four of the big wireless operators, Verizon, Sprint, AT&T, and T-Mobile, as they look to densify their network in order to provide greater coverage and capacity in their network for consumers.
And do you see the small cell space starting to rival towers anytime soon in terms of their portfolio and the returns that they generate?
What we've seen in the early days would indicate that as the business grows, it certainly could rival the towers in terms of returns. In terms of size, that would really probably take more than a decade worth of growth, but the early signs would indicate that it does have the potential to be as big or bigger than the tower business.
And with the announcement about plans to acquire Wilcon, which is a fiber service provider, what's attractive about that deal, and could we see other transactions coming down the pike this year?
Wilcon owns fiber mostly in the Southern California market, and there's a tremendous amount of activity given the population density in that market. So we're seeing a lot of activity for small cells. That fiber becomes very important as we deploy small cells. So we see a lot of activity and a lot of opportunity to increase the returns. To the extent there are other opportunities that look like Wilcon in top markets in the U.S. where we believe there's opportunity to further develop the small cell business, those could be interesting to us at the right price.
Jay, thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.
And for more on this and other real estate news and analysis, be sure to visit REIT.com.